Hello all. I'm not here to sell you on some junk you don't need. I'm here to show you how to diversify your restaurant. College students are looking for somewhere to be. This is how you can get them involved and how to get them to stay by diversifying your staff as well. First thing is diversifying employees. Who's diversifying and how do you do this? Well, by this I mean diversifying with people that are disabled, with culturally diverse people, anything like that to diversify your facility. And how to do so is, first of all, make it personal. Get a connection with the people that you're working with. These college students need to know that you're there for them as well as they're there for you. And they like to be connected with you on a personal level. The second thing is participate in conferences. Let these students come out to conferences and see what really happens. Let them help and let them network with other chefs and other people there so that they know what they're getting into in this industry. The next thing is get to know their faculty. See who they're with every day, who they work with, who they see every day, who they know, and what they like. This way you get to meet these students on a level that you normally would not get to do through their faculty, your teachers. The next thing is let them go on internships and job shadowing. Job shadowing is great because you get to stage. And with this, you get to see what the industry is really about and where they would be and what they'd be doing if they were actually involved in the field. Internships are awesome because, first of all, they get to meet the chefs, they get to meet the staff, and also they get paid most of the time. And they learn a lot just from doing these things. And this way, they get to see where they'd actually be and what they'd actually be doing, rather than just staying for one day and seeing what they do for that day. The next thing is industry events. Invite them to these events because more than likely the events are not full and there's plenty of food to go around and college students are hungry. So let them come to these events, see what actually happens, see what they'd be doing, see how they'd be doing it, and see what they would do in the end. If they like it, if they don't like it, what they like. Do they like food? Do they like beverage? Do they like hospitality? Do they change their mind? What exactly is it that they like? And the last thing is let them be creative. College students are young, they're happening, they're new, and they have plenty of ideas. Let them use these ideas because more likely than not, they're going to have something that you didn't think of, or they're going to want to learn from you and see what you did think of. The next thing is applying diversity to your business. Once you have these people, how do you create an understanding? How do you show them what to do, what not to do, and seeing where their business would be helping your business? By being diverse, they bring cultural diversity, they bring in new foods, and all sorts of different things. So creating an understanding between your employees means that they would know each other and you would know them too. This way they can work together and they can do a really good job to make you look good. Next thing is suggestions for recruiting, skills and diversity. By that I mean let them build their skills. By letting these college students come into your facility, they're bringing in all their cultural diversity, so they're bringing in new ideas, and after that, they're learning all these different things that are going to help you in the end. Because these college students are going to end up working for you, you might as well train them in the experience that they need to do well and be successful. And you also know where their skills are coming from. The last thing is, be aware and connected. Not only with your students, but with your staff too. In the long run, their staff is going to be these students. So, if you want them to be connected, you can be the one to show them how. These students need definite personality, they need to be connected with you, and they need to know where they're going and what they're doing. This way, you can build their knife skills, you can teach them how to be personable, and you can teach them many things they're going to use not only in the field and in the kitchen, but in life. In the long run, you want to teach them all these things, and having cultural diversity will definitely better your business. But the most important thing is that you need to create an understanding, let them be connected, have them go to some events and have networking opportunities because these things really further your business and further your life, as well as theirs. And in a normal circumstance, they would not get to do this. If you're interested in our business, please call 555-8181 today. Diversifying means